Whirlpool and Maytag appliance repair on the Treasure Coast. These are the most repairable brands in America and we love working on them. Why Whirlpool is great for repair: parts are cheap, always available, and the designs are logical and accessible. A Whirlpool repair typically costs 20 to 30% less than the same repair on a Samsung or LG appliance. Whirlpool owns Maytag, KitchenAid, and Amana. All four brands share platforms and parts. That means if you have any of these brands, we service them with the same expertise and parts availability. Whirlpool refrigerators, ice maker modules, water inlet valves, and occasional control board issues. All straightforward repairs. Whirlpool washers, lid switches on top loaders, drive couplers on direct drive models, and drain pumps on front loaders. These are the bread and butter of appliance repair. Whirlpool and Maytag dryers, thermal fuses and heating elements. The most common and affordable dryer repairs. We stock Whirlpool dryer parts on every truck. KitchenAid dishwashers, premium quality, reliable, and very repairable. KitchenAid dishwashers are among the best made. We carry the most common Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, and Amana parts. Same-day service. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Whirlpool Family Repair. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.